Welcome back guys to my channel Glorious Media. This is Basav here again welcoming you with another new video. So today I'm going to talk about something what is digital marketing and utilizing that with the 5 new fresh D's of digital marketing. So firstly, let me explain to you something which is very basic about digital marketing. Many of the new businesses that we see today are all working together to build and find its own niche on the internet, on web marketing, on email marketing, internet marketing, lots of other things. What we have not seen earlier, what is basic digital marketing which everyone is always misconstruing over a period of time. The most misconstrued thing about digital marketing which I have come across in my experience was make a differentiation between what is traditional marketing and what is digital marketing. Digital marketing is basically, as you must have all known what is it by now, which you see around in your today's world. The main goal of digital marketing is to come to the internet utilizing the marketing tools and selling your product online. But most of the times which I have seen that how people are not understanding that how to utilize this digital marketing, and they are getting confused with what kind of tools are there online and what kind of types are there. These all things are a lot of questions are being portrayed, which is very confusing most of the people. So today I'm going to make it clear for you. Basically, digital marketing is not a type which is used on internet. Digital marketing is a very simple concept which businesses should, or a freelancer like you, must now adapt to. Basically, in today's world, a business requires to market itself, marketing for its own products and own services. So, you are now looking out for a platform online to promote and sell your own product. So, it's nothing less than a product or a service which you utilize an online kind of channel to promote your product or your service into. It is not basically a Facebook page where you made your own product store or Instagram page for your own apparel store or shoe store or makeup store. It's unlike that. It's not related or being just limited to just one concept. It's a wide field. It's a wide kind of broad contrast and a new kind of concept which needs to be understood very, very promptly. Now, basically, when you start up a new business, you will be realizing that you require customers. Customers which are the most vital thing for a business. Customers make your brand up. Today, you will be seeing that how you will be requiring a customer to come to your store to purchase your products. If the customer doesn't come, we all suffer. We suffer in a very bad way. We know the importance of what a significant and a very loyal customer is. A loyal customer which tells us that how he is satisfied with your brand, how he is satisfied with your product, how he is satisfied with your service, your content, and all the other related things. But this doesn't happen just like that. You need to understand what really digital marketing with your product or service or your content can be or what it should be. So let me tell you by this video what is digital marketing and the 5 D's of digital marketing. So you must be wondering, what is digital marketing? Digital marketing is all about promoting your products online with utilizing a smartphone, a smart tablet, or your own laptop. You can just do it in a flick of a second in today's world. Digital marketing is basically promoting your goods online. The goal of digital marketing is to promote, is to have a goal of marketing itself. Most of the time in today's world, we misconstrue marketing in a very different way. Market is unlike going to your client where you have personal experience with him, where you discuss about your product and your service. But digital marketing doesn't do that for you only for one single person. It does that for you for masses. Digital marketing is basically done for mass audience, mass number of people which will see your product, your service and your content in such a way that they would like to engage with it as a brand, as a product, as a service which will relate it with themselves, and that will tell them that they really trust your product, they love your product, they love to see you, they love to see you promoting and offering that product to them, so that satisfies their needs which basically tells them that how that product will be satisfying them over a period of time. Once they get satisfied with your product, they will be coming to your store, to your content, to your account, to your page again and again and again by utilizing these digital tools. These tools are nothing but your smartphones, your tablet, your emails which they receive on a regular basis. Now, what is it that you need to do to enable your business to a very successful digital marketing product? This is something which you need to understand by just putting in just few moments of yours, understanding certain tools of the digital marketing. So now the role of digital marketing is very simple. It's basically to divide and break down the digital marketing channels into different segments. The segments can be a digital and a communication channel between you and your customer. Second is something which connects you where you market your content, your product in a form of image or a video way to your customer on your particular e-commerce or website or an application format. The next thing, it will be having a call to action which will be after the description and the title. The next thing is the description and the benefits of your product, service and the content that which you are promoting. Now, digital marketing is basically on different kinds of websites, different applications, different social media marketing by utilizing the SEO, SEM, social media marketing and email marketing and ebooks, etc. Now, I will be talking to you about the 5 Ds of digital marketing. The 5 Ds of digital marketing are: first is digital device. Digital device which you have been using on a regular basis. You may be using your smartphone by browsing online, by using different social media apps, by going to someone's channel, someone's e-commerce store, someone's account which you love to do, which you love to go. You will be using that as a tablet, as a smartphone, as a laptop, which connects you with other customers of yours to see that which products, which culture, which brands are going online now. The main purpose of digital device is to connect you with your customer. Second thing is a digital platform. A digital platform basically shows you that how business connects with you through a platform as a brand. Brand promotes its own apparels, its own store of shoes or electronic products, having a makeup store, having new services, new subscriptions, new courses, different kinds of things, different games, different ideas, different podcasts which you must be looking forward to while browsing their platform. The main purpose of this is to utilize your time on their channel, to utilize on their platform, to see their brands, to purchase something, to purchase their products, satisfying your needs through their products, through their services. So most of the businesses do today is to get things in a click of a second, in just a few minutes. Your product is just away, reaching to you through deliveries, through different ebooks, e-contents, and through different courses, podcasts, and music way. Now, the third D of digital marketing is the digital media. Digital media which basically promotes the business's own content, their own products. They promote and have a direct communication with the customer, with their audiences, and that basically defines what digital media is all about. Having that own products, own channel, own platform promotes that with the other customer on the different part of the world which you may see that. Now, this talks about that how you will be having a direct communication with your customer through your digital media platform. The fourth D of digital media is the digital data. Today, we see that how businesses are having a lot of data, a lot of customers coming to their website or application or on their portal, which gets them a lot of information about the customer. They are having millions of data being promoted. Now, this has to be used in a very appropriate manner, and this happens by the rules of laws of the government regulated by a particular country in which that you stay. This is based on a region, based on the kind of place that you stay in, and the rules by which they're bound to happen, and you need to keep that data very protected, where a customer feels satisfied. This is one of the most important things in today's world, where big sites like Facebook, Amazon, YouTube, Google have a lot of data of their customers, and it is their responsibility to take care of that data so that it doesn't go in the hands of hackers or it's not being used by the other people. So it has to be a very important thing by utilizing the digital media or the digital marketing while you promote your product and your service online. The last and the fifth D of digital marketing is the digital technology. In today's world, you see that how you connect yourself with other businesses, and their businesses are having a big impact with their content and their products on you. But you need to do the same thing with your product and your services to your audience and creating a niche with your own product. Digital technology impacts and has a very important impact on the kind of services which you are going to provide to your customer. So choose wisely, and I would recommend you to go again if you have missed anything anything in the video, or if you feel anything that has been missed out, please do comment on the section of comments below, and please do give me a subscribe and press the bell icon to get my latest updates. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.